my dear kids. Welcome to Little Steps with Sarah. Today we will learn letter M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S and their phonic sounds. Okay, let's begin. This is uppercase M and it makes sounds You have to close your mouth and say, mmm. This is lowercase m and it makes sounds, mmm. Mm, monkey. Mm, monkey. Monkey lives on the trees. Mm, monkey. Hmm, mango. Yummy, yummy. Mango. Hmm, milk. Hmm, milk. I know all my dear kids love milk. Milk makes us healthy. Hmm, milk. Hmm, moon. Hmm, moon. Hmm, mouse. Hmm, mouse. Mouse love the cheese. Now we have learned letter M and its phonic sound. Its phonic sound is mm. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. That's letter N. This is uppercase N and it makes sounds N. This is lowercase n and it makes sound N. N. Notebook. N. Notebook. When you learn the alphabets, you can go ahead and write in a notebook. N. Notebook. N. Nest. N. Nest. Birds make nest and they live in nest. N. Nest. N. Nuts. N. Nuts. Nuts is a healthy food. It makes us very healthy. N. Nuts. N. Nuts. N. Nuts. N. Nose. N. Nose. This is uppercase O and it makes sounds O. This is lowercase o and it makes sounds O. O. Orange. O. Orange. O. Owl. O. Owl. O. Oyster. O. Oyster. O. Octopus. O. Octopus. Octopus is an aquatic animal and it has 8 legs. Oh, octopus. Oh, onion. Oh, onion. We see onion in our kitchen. Yes. Oh, onion. Let's move on to the next letter now. That's letter P. This is uppercase P and it makes sounds P. This is lowercase p and it makes sounds P. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Colorful parrot. P. Parrot. P. Pigeon. P. Pigeon. Peacock, beautiful, colorful peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock. Panda. Panda. Cute panda. Pen. Pen. We write with the pen. Pen. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. That's letter Q. This is uppercase Q makes sound qua. This is lowercase q and it makes sounds qua, qua, queen, qua, queen, qua, quail, qua, quail. Quail is a bird. Qua, quail, qua, quail, qua, quilt, qua, quilt, qua, question, qua, question, qua, quiet, qua, quiet. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. That's letter R. This is uppercase R and it makes sound R. You have to fold your tongue and say R. This is lowercase r and it makes sounds r, r, ring, r, ring. I hope you all would have seen your mama wearing a ring. R, ring, r, rain, r, rain, r, rabbit, r, rabbit. Rabbit hops and likes carrot. Rabbit. Rainbow. Rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Rainbow. Rooster. Rooster. And it makes sound. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. That's letter S. This is uppercase S and it makes sound. This is lowercase s and it makes sound sun. We can all see sun in the morning, bright yellow shining sun. Sun. Star. Star. We can all see twinkling star in the night. Star. Snake. Snake. And it makes sound. Hiss. It makes sound. Hiss. Snake. Starfish. Starfish. Starfish is an aquatic animal. Starfish. Sunflower. Sunflower. Yes, sunflower is yellow in color. Okay, now we have learned the letter S. If you like this video, please comment, like, and press the bell icon to subscribe.